Forget about Home Affairs. Someone else
someone who's competent will take over.
Just go to finance. Then he was thinking about rent. And the rent will drop and it will go up, babe. You will work.
And
I believe in you. So like, you think so?
It did.
This is my house, and like, I told myself that no one will take me out, and I will never. Even 99% of people in South Africa would believe like Noma must leave. But I make the vows. I will leave in my own terms if I want to leave. And also, I will ask or fight my husband in my own terms.
Hello everyone, Sanok and welcome to my channel. So that was Noma Mngoma back in 2017 when she was still married to former Minister Malusi Gigaba. She went through a lot publicly in that marriage and eventually fought her husband back in her own terms, as she put it, against his philandering ways, even allegedly vandalizing Gigaba's 3 million rands worth car, which landed her in jail cells just for a bit before she was released. Now fast forward to 2025, Noma and Gigaba are divorced. She was set to appear in an episode of Showmax's new series, Untied. Here's a snippet.
This picture-perfect marriage, do things start going bad?
He lied until the day the video was leaked. I was so hurt.
Noma Gigaba is back in court. She was arrested in July on charges of malicious damage to property and criminal injury.
Damn, Saputelo, we're going to miss the gory details about that video of Imagine This in Your Mouth. I digress. The episode was expected to reveal intimate details about their marriage, including allegations of infidelity, porn addiction, and the misuse of public funds. However, Umalusi Gigaba was like, "Unoche, not on my watch." He secured a temporary court interdict against the episode featuring his ex-wife, Noma Mngoma. The urgent interdict was granted yesterday, the 24th of June 2025, just hours before the show's premiere, postponing the broadcast of Noma's interview pending further legal proceedings. Gigaba's legal team argued that the content could cause irreparable harm to his reputation. Now, the court's decision has sparked a debate about freedom of expression versus the right to privacy. Some people feel the interdict infringes on Noma's right to tell her story. Hey, mnangasi, wish. I won't lie and say I don't want the gossip. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.